What's happening, everybody? Boy Big Brando, and today we're going to be talking about 3D puff embroidery. Now, since my last embroidery video, people have been asking for me to do a video about 3D puff. As a disclaimer, I don't know everything about embroidery. I just barely got this machine, and this is how I personally do the 3D puff embroidery. First things first, you're going to want to get yourself some foam. This right here is 3mm foam. You can find it on Amazon. You could go to the craft store and get it. You can go anywhere that sells arts and craft stuff and get you some craft foam. Once again, this is 3mm. If you can't find 3mm and you only can find 1mm, you could triple up 3mm. What I found was 3mm is a pretty good thickness for the 3D puff. Some people use 2mm, some people use 4. I found 3mm works for myself. So once again, you can find this stuff at any of your local craft stores. You can order it online, you can buy it on Amazon. This is what you want to get. Now, we already got the hat hoop. We're going to be using a 6-panel structured snapback. All you do is tape this down to the hat and then you stitch over this. Let me show you what it looks like. Here it is, 6-panel structured snapback. Snap it in. Now it's locked in. First thing we're gonna do is trace the design. It's gonna go to needle 1. Show you again with the foot held down. Looks nice and centered up. Take our foam. Tape it down to the hat. Start. All right, this thing's done. This is how it comes out, stitched up. So all you're gonna wanna do is grab the foam, peel it away. Take the tape off, boom. Then you're gonna wanna get you some tweezers and then pull out the foam that's in the middle. All right, so once you tweezed out that little middle part, there it is. Let's take it off the hoop. There you have it. Focus, fully complete 3D puff embroidered hat. So like I said, I use 3mm foam. Find it on Amazon at a craft store. It's just craft foam. That's what it looks like. It comes in sheets, or it could come by a big ass roll. All depends how you buy it. But there it is right there. Cut right out of there. Easy call. If you guys got any more questions, make sure you leave it in the comments. Like I said, I don't know everything about this machine because I just got it, but this is how I do 3D puff embroidery. Follow me on Instagram, Big Brando TV. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.